Good evening, and welcome to the Facebook Marketplace listing tool tutorial and walkthrough. Today, you're likely receiving your onboarding email, which includes the tutorial video you're watching now, along with a download link to get started. So let's open that email up. Let's find the download extension link and click on that button. Once you do, you should see a page that looks just like this. Navigate over to the Add to Chrome button, add your extension, and you will notice the AutoLister Pro extension has been added to Chrome. You'll want to tap on the puzzle piece icon, hit the pin icon, and you'll have easy access to the listing tool. Next, click on it and log in with the credentials provided in your onboarding email. Hit the Log In button, and you'll see your Chrome extension logged in on the right-hand side, along with a few settings that you should configure before listing. To start, you'll see Category, which is the type of vehicle or property you're listing. You can click on this drop-down and select your choice. You can add an emoji to the end of the listing title, and I'll select the eyeballs here. You also have the option to choose between miles or kilometers, and utilize an AI description. By default, the AI description is toggled off. You'll need to toggle it on to use the AI description generator. Once that's done, it's highly recommended to insert some AI instructions inside the provided box. For instance, here's what I have inside the box. I recommend you have something similar or even more sophisticated. Scrolling down, you can include the stock number for the vehicle. This will be inserted at the bottom of the listing description, and I've enabled that feature. If you keep scrolling, you'll find additional settings, such as add mileage to the title. As implied, this will add the mileage to your vehicle's title. Similarly, there's an option to add the trim level to the title. Next, we have an auto-publish feature, which will list your vehicle, hit next, and publish for you, so you don't have to do it manually. This feature will literally post the vehicle from A to Z for you. All you need to do is enable it and save the settings. There's also an autopilot feature, which is new to the tool. It's compatible with your inventory pages, such as AutoTrader, CarGurus, Cars.com, and possibly your dealer websites. Currently, we support DealerOn, DealerInspire, and Dealer.com. When enabled, the extension automatically posts up to the chosen number of listings with a delay between each. You have the option to enable this. After enabling, you'll see two drop-downs appear, allowing you to post up to 7 vehicles in a single autopilot session. I'll select 2 and then choose the delay between each listing. You currently have the options of 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. I'll go with 2 minutes, and let's say I wanted to start this autopilot session. I would then navigate to my inventory page, hit save, and start autopilot. Alternatively, you could simply click the Start Autopilot button at the top right. And what happens next is exactly as described. The tool fully automates the process of posting your vehicles. Now, let's move on to the next feature. You'll see the Post to Facebook icons, which are labeled as Post to Facebook. There's also an option labeled Post Again. You'll notice this feature is color-coded. If it's orange, that means it has already been posted. If it's blue, it hasn't been posted yet. While the autopilot feature runs, it skips any listings that have already been posted. So, the first listing it hits would be this one. The second listing it hits would be this one, and it will skip over any listings that have already been posted. You don't need to worry about reposting listings you've already posted. If we want to turn this off, let's disable the autopilot and the auto-publish. After doing that, you'll want to hit save. To post a vehicle, simply click on the Post to Facebook button. You can post a vehicle for the first time, or even post them multiple times. It's not recommended to repost unless you've already deleted the original listing. As we go further down, there's an image overlay feature, which is automatically turned off. You can select one of a few options. The options are Off First Image and All Images. This feature applies a personalized image overlay like a banner to your photos. There's even a banner creator if you need to use that, accessible right here where it says Create Banner, Overlay Image. You would then configure your banner on the right-hand side. Any changes you make here will update the preview. Once done, hit Download as PNG. You'll find it in your Downloads folder. For this example, I'll delete it. You'll see it in your Downloads folder, and you just have to drag and drop. that's trickier than it looks. There we go, sorry about that. Instead of dragging and dropping, click on this icon and upload your banner, just like that. Next, adjust the position of the banner. I typically prefer the bottom center. For margins, I recommend these options, along with setting size and opacity to 100%. Afterwards, save your settings, and now you're all set to post. Let's go ahead and create a listing here. Let's post this 2014 Lexus with the Post to Facebook button. You'll see it clicks on the VDP, opens it up on its own, gathers all the information from that listing, and brings it right over to Facebook Marketplace. You'll notice all the information is filled in, and your banner has been applied to all the images. You can delete some of these pictures if you'd like. You can rearrange the order if that's your preference, and you can also adjust your location. The year, make, miles, price, body style, and colors are all filled in. A clean title is automatically filled in, so if you're selling vehicles without clean titles, please update that, as it's automatically checked. The vehicle condition, fuel type, transmission, and your AI-generated description are also filled in. As you see, it prompts people to call and ask for Ethan. It says, "I have the keys." Additionally, we inserted our phone number as normal digits here, but the AI converted them into emojis. This way, Facebook can't detect and block your phone number in the description, as phone numbers aren't allowed there. Typically, Facebook blocks them out. However, in emoji form, they go unnoticed, so this is a way to bypass that restriction. Then, hit Next and select any groups you want to publish to. You'll notice one group has about 67,000 to 68,000 members. Another group has 49,000 members, and yet another has 130,000. As you can see, the numbers can get quite large if you post to up to 20 groups per vehicle. You could potentially reach 500,000 or even 1,000,000 people with your listing, increasing your chances of selling the car. After selecting all your groups, hit Publish, and you're all set. Let's say your listing's been online for 2 weeks and it's time to renew it. Just come over and hit Renew now. Facebook Marketplace will open up, load all your listings, and renew those due for renewal. This process simplifies and eases your workflow. Regarding the Facebook listing tool, that's all there is. We've even added an affiliate program where you can sign up. Simply click Join our affiliate program to see some details. Sign up here, and you'll be sent to our affiliate sign-up portal where you can manage your referrals. If you have any questions, please let us know. See you soon.